Hey everyone, this is Dirk. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today we'll be taking a look at the DriverGenius USBC multi-card reader and writer. It is currently offered at $18.99 on Amazon, and taking it out of the box I was very surprised. It is stylish, it has very nice finishes, and it feels and looks like a high-end product. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, it is made of metal. When I compare this to the ProGrade card reader I used in my previous SD card review, the price of this one is 4 times higher, but it's made of plastic. The DriverGenius has 3 card slots. One for compact flash cards, one for SD cards, and one for micro SD cards. So here we have the USB-C connector, and I really wish the cable would be a bit longer. If you don't have a USB-C port on your laptop or on your computer, there's a simple solution to that. You could purchase a USB-C to USB adapter, plug it in, and connect it to any USB port on your PC. I'll leave a purchase link in the description below. You will insert SD cards with the connection pins facing upwards. You would push it in, and then it gives you a very satisfying clicking sound in which it locks the card in place. This is so much better than the ProGrade, where you push in the card but you never know if it's in the right position. And now let's test it using a UHS-I card. Here we can see that it's not a slow card reader, it really supports higher speeds. And now let's see if it supports UHS-II cards. And yes, it does. We're getting excellent speeds using the DriverGenius USB-C card reader. In all fairness, I have to say that the speeds we're getting using a ProGrade card reader are a little bit higher. But let's not forget that the ProGrade doesn't have a micro SD card slot, and it costs 4 times more than the DriverGenius card reader. Alright, this was my short and sweet unboxing and first impressions video of the DriverGenius USB-C multi-card reader and writer. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you like this video, leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching this, and tune in soon again. Bye for now.